Y'all, when I saw this, I got so excited.
Original bad man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Devonica and I am here with another video. Today I have a haul from Burkes Outlet and Homegoods. So if you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first place that we're going to start with is Burkes Outlet. If you have a Burkes Outlet in your area, you should definitely check them out. They have awesome, amazing deals, awesome deals on home goods, on clothes, on housewares, everything, y'all. They have it and they have really good deals. So I'm going to show you guys the first item that I got. And it is this griddle pan, y'all. And this griddle pan was only $8.99. $8.99, y'all. Look how cute it is. It has this pretty wooden handle. And this color, I don't know if you guys can tell on screen or not, but this color is like a light blue. Yeah, like a light blue, light aqua color. It's really pretty. And I have been in need of a griddle pan. So this is going to come in handy because I cook a lot. So I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this, y'all. And like it's the Country Kitchen speckled 11-inch grill. It says it's easy to clean, it's oven safe, and it's high performance. So yes, a griddle for $8.99. You can't beat that, okay? All right, so the next thing that I got was a whisk. It's just a whisk. And y'all, it's such a cute color. It's like a Tiffany blue color. And this is by KitchenAid. And this was only $3.99. You see what I'm talking about those prices? $3.99. And it's a KitchenAid. At the moment, I only have one whisk, so I was in need of another one because the one that I've had it for a really long time. And I really like this one because it's small. So the next item that I got is heavy, okay? It's heavy. This is a cast iron grill pan, and this is a 10.5-inch grill pan, y'all. And it was only $12.99. Yes, $12.99. And I have been looking for one of these. I looked in Walmart one day and they were out. And so when I saw this one in Burkes, I had to pick it up. Y'all, if you didn't know, some of you guys know, and I said this on my last video, but I like to cook. And I do have a cooking page at Plated by D. So if you're not following me, you should. I cook, y'all. I cook a lot, y'all. I have a food Instagram page. I put my recipes on there. So that is why I needed some new cookware. And I will insert pictures of my food so you can see what I do. Because I cook, honey. I cook. All right, y'all. So the next thing that I got was the spatula. And y'all, this spatula is also by KitchenAid, and it's a pretty Tiffany blue color, and it actually matches the whisk. Yeah, it actually matches the whisk. How cute, right? So cute. Okay, y'all, so those are all the items that I got from Burkes Outlet. So now I'm going to show you what I got from Homegoods. Y'all, when I saw this, I got so excited. I got so excited. And I know some of you might be like, girl, what is that? It's an egg holder, y'all. You can put your eggs in it. This holds a dozen eggs, and then you just sit it in your refrigerator. And so your eggs are not in the carton that you get from the grocery store. They're in this nice little clear container, and you can sit things on top of it. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes when I am putting things in the refrigerator, I don't want to sit things on top of the eggs because you don't want the eggs to break because the carton is like really flimsy. But with this, yeah, with this, you can put your eggs in here and sit things on top of it. And this was only $6.99. $6.99. And y'all, there was also one that holds 18 eggs, but I decided to get the one that holds 12 because I only buy a dozen at a time because it's just me. How cool is that? So the next thing that I got is this 3-piece fridge storage set. And it's 3 pieces. And you stick these in your refrigerator and it just helps you organize better. I cook a lot, and so sometimes my refrigerator gets crowded. So having something like this will help me get organized, and it is a great space saver. So if you're looking for a way to save space in your fridge, you may want to invest in one of these. It was only $10.99, y'all. $10.99. So I felt like this was a great deal. And y'all, once I put everything in the fridge and get it organized, I will show you guys how it looks. All right, y'all, so this is how I put my containers and storage bins in the fridge. As you can see, the eggs are in the container, and then I put my cheese in one of the storage bins, and I put my bacon, my deli meats and things like that in a bin, and then I put my coffee creamers in the other storage bin. Okay, so the next thing that I got were these Ellen Tracy curtains. Oh, I'm super excited about these, y'all. And y'all, these are gonna go in my bedroom. And when I get done with my bedroom, I'll show you guys the finished look. But yeah, I got these curtains to go in my bedroom. I thought they were so cute. They're white, they're sheer. And then they have these little fuzzy balls on them. I don't know what you call it, but I just thought these were so cute. Because for my bedroom, I want a whimsical white look. I have a white comforter, and now I'm gonna have these white curtains, and then I have a really cute picture to put over my bed. Y'all, I cannot wait to show you when I get done with my room. But yeah, these curtains were only $16.99, and this is for 2 panels. Yay! Okay guys, so the next thing that I got is something really, I guess, simple, but I needed one. A rolling pin. Yes, can you believe I cook a lot, but I do not own a rolling pin? The last time that I had to roll some dough out, I used the glass. And that's the old-fashioned way to roll stuff out. So yeah, I needed a rolling pin. And so this rolling pin was only $4.99. $4.99. And it's a nice wooden one. So I cannot wait to use this. I will be making Christmas cookies around the holidays, so this is going to come in handy. And I have been wanting to try to make some homemade biscuits from scratch. So yeah, I'll definitely need this. Okay guys, so the last thing that I got was this 2-section dish. I thought this would be perfect for putting like dip in. Like you could put guacamole here, salsa here, you could put cheese dip here. Any kind of dips would go good in here. Or if you wanted to chop up fresh veggies and put them in here and sit them out. If you're entertaining, if you have family over and you want your setup to look nice and pretty, or if you're just at home with your family and you want to do a nice setup, you could do so much with this. So yeah, my curtains fell. And y'all, this was only $3.99. $3.99. And that's why I love Homegoods so much and I love Burkes so much, because they have great deals on home stuff. So that ends the video, guys. If you like this video, please comment below and let me know, and I'll do more videos like this. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, y'all, remember to turn on your notifications if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. And also follow me on Instagram at DwalettDevonica. Follow me on Snapchat at DwalettDevonica. And follow my cooking Instagram page at Plated by D. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Original bad man, just a no, no, no.